Gold has created a bullish candle yesterday, which means the bulls are still strong and they're continuing pushing the price even higher. The price has reached almost a supply zone at 2550.00, where we can see that yesterday's candle has almost created a bullish engulfing candle just in between this support and this resistance level, which means this is suggesting further rise in value, where I'm expecting that the price will continue to rise in value and reaching almost or 2550.00 resistance level right here. Will it be today or in the 2 days? That depends everything that will happen on the market. But much more clear information we'll have on the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame, where I have these support and the resistance levels, where I share the details with traders inside the Telegram group on the daily basis, when the price forms a bullish breakout and what is the target, and when the price forms some kind of resistance and supply zone when the price is moving down. Yesterday I have said there is a probability that the price could return all the way back down very close to this one price level, but the price did not do that because the price did not make a bearish breakout below a very important support level on the 4-hour time frame and the 1-hour time frame. So for now I am expecting that the price will reach this area, start of the supply zone around 255.0.00, and then from there I will see what happens. All the details, if you would like to see what happens when the price will bounce from this supply zone, from this resistance, or when the price will go upwards, meaning making a bullish breakout, this will be shared inside the Telegram group on the daily basis whenever this happens. So if you would like, you can also check the link below in the description. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.